Hello everyone, this will be Enscape rendering for this bedroom. We go to Enscape material library, then go to fabric section, then we choose the fabric we want, then import selection, then double click the object we want to apply the material. After that, we use bucket or shortcut B. Next render is wood. Then go again in Enscape material library. Then choose you wanted the wood material. Then import selection. Then you can adjust the color based on your preferred. Next rendering is stone material. Select the stone material you wanted, then import selection. Then we use again paint bucket or shortcut key. Then double click the object to apply the material. We can edit the material by going to Enscape Material Editor. Then you can adjust the reflection based on your desired glossiness of the material. Then lastly, you can add people from Enscape Asset Library. You can choose and wait to generate the person.